Morning one and all, excuse the bedhead, woke up not long ago. Over at Choir Boy Outdoors, Scab's doing a little giveaway for a knife. He just says cut a sandwich, so of course I gotta make it before I can cut it, so let's get to it. I'm doing a breakfast sandwich, so sourdough is my slice of choice. Of course, I'm going to be doing a grilled sandwich. And I've shared this little tip before, but I put a little Parmesan cheese on the buttered side. Too bad we don't have a smell tube. Alright, get the bread in. Add some cheese. Also going to do a couple of eggs. Cover this puppy in bacon. I normally only do 4 slices, but if, oops, one extra one fell in the pan. Darn it. Alright, so I cut my eggs in half. So the whole thing will fit. Okay, so one of the reasons I made it open face is because the bread is so big. I'm going to be using my favorite chef's knife, the 10-inch Hinkles. Love this knife. Oh, look at that. Nice crispy top. All that crunch. Oh no. A piece of bacon fell out. Thought I'd show you. See how that Parmesan really crisped up? Nice crispy, cheesy outside. Oh yeah. All right. Cheers. I love this knife so much. I got egg, cheesy, bacon. Oh, the piece of bacon fell out. Oh no. Man, the sandwich is delicious. Crispy bacon, the egg, the cheese, 2 kinds of cheese, and then the melted, unsalted butter. Phenomenal. Anyway, don't forget to check out Choir Boy Outdoors. Scab over there at his channel. Good dude. A lot of dudes does a lot of really cool knife reviews. So adding this to his little contest. We appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.